As a web designer and developer, one of the most common things I see from my clients and prospects is when they go to set up WordPress, like they've bought a theme kit or a template kit online, they get stuck and they come to me and like, it just doesn't look right. Can you go in and have a look and try and set this up? One of the reasons why I'm making this video is because I'm preempting that that's going to happen in future. I can be like, look, it's this quick fix, go in, watch this video and sort it out. Okay, so let's jump into WordPress first and take a look at how a site should look. So it should look like a homepage, menu, blah, blah. However, when you set WordPress up, it doesn't set a homepage by default. On the left-hand side, you've got a settings panel, and under settings is reading. By default, WordPress will have this set. Your homepage displays as your latest post, so it's like a blog. So let's just hit save changes and then see when we refresh that homepage what it looks like. It looks the same. This is a great example in a tutorial of when WordPress just doesn't work right. This could be for a number of different issues, like it could be a caching issue, it could be a permalink issue. It's likely a caching issue. So give me 2 minutes, I'll log out and then I'll re-log in and then you should see it right. Okay, so I've just re-logged in. Let's have a look. When we refresh the home page, okay, it shows how I want it to show, how it probably shows for you, like on the blog page. Without these blogs in, because you've probably just set up a WordPress site and you haven't posted any blogs yet. I wanted to leave that part in because WordPress can be frustrating. Things don't work all the time. As I say, it could be permalinks, could be the caching issue. But yeah, I want to keep that in my tutorials because it's natural. Right, okay, so how do we go around this then? So when you first set WordPress up, you'll have a sample page that WordPress give you by default. If not, I'd go to pages first and then add new page. And you want to create a page which you want to be the home page. So I'd just call it home. I've already got home in pages. So let's call it home example. And then hit publish. That's all you need to do. Just put the page into the database. And then let's go back to settings and then reading on this left hand side. And obviously it would be set as your latest post. So we go in and we hit a static page and select that. So you'd go for home example, the page you just set up, whatever it's called. I'm going to put it as home, which actually is right on this site. Hit save changes and then we'll see if we get the same caching issue. Let's have a look. So I've refreshed the page. There wasn't a caching issue this time, and that's how you want it to be. So then you go into the home page and you build it out in whatever WordPress editor you're using. Could be a page builder like Elementor, Bricks Builder, WP Bakery, or just the standard Gutenberg editor if you're using a theme. So yeah, hope you found that useful. As I say, it comes up a lot. It's important that we as YouTubers cover these like simple basic steps because it allows people to get onto WordPress and building, so these little hurdles aren't getting in the way. So if you liked it, found it helpful, it'd be great if you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.